looks cool. Like Belvedere Christmas market. This looks crazy.
The walnut.
There it is. It's like a huge grounds. In front over there, you see, there's the Christmas market we're gonna go to. Oh, look at that. I guess this is the garden. Oh my gosh, look at this. The lighting looks cool. It looks like a carrieta. I mean, also in the cartoons and stuff when they have their fairy tale carriages. So it's, I guess that's really cool. The theme of the lighting. Okay, this is the Belvedere Christmas market. Okay, it's macaroni. This looks crazy. I guess I'm sure it's edible. But look at the cake. Oh my goodness. This is the pretzel. This looks like the cinnamon one. It says Nutella though. I guess that's the Nutella one. We should try this one after we do the savory stuff. The booth that we're trying to buy the gift, the boot shoe, it says get free souvenir boot mug. Bring your cup. So I guess we can exchange the cup when we get the drink with the boot mug.
I don't know.
Well, that's what it says.
Yeah. Doing what?
So we're doing 2 hot dogs
Sure.
and then 2 hot chocolate. That's it. To the hot dogs?
Yes, cheese or spicy?
No spicy. I guess cheese. And then can we have 2 hot chocolate? No cream, just regular. Hot chocolate, delicious. Waiting for the sausages. I guess first time trying in this market. Cheers. Delicious hot chocolate. It's really nice and hot. But this is yours though. I'm drinking from yours. Yeah. You gotta try. And I guess we got the sausages finally we found in this market. We are in the Belvedere market. We did not see in the other markets. So I'm just gonna taste it. Wow. Delicious. It's super fresh. It's melting. The skin is a bit crunchy.
It's delicious bread. The sauce is very nice. Warm. I got it with a little mustard. It's pretty good. Especially when you're walking a lot and it's cold.
Yeah. Warms
good.
you up. It's delicious.
It's getting cooler though very fast.
Yeah. It's very filling. Yeah, they
for
don't have,
markets only
I guess, the
two-headed.
hot chocolate in every market.
They have more the punches,
Yeah.
which is mostly alcoholic.
Yeah.
And then they have the wine and beers and other drinks, but not a lot of hot chocolate.
Hi.
Mandolin is almond.
Cashew, macadamia, vanilla, Nutella, Raffaello, the meat.
The walnut and macadamia.
Chocolate, yes. Nutella, yes.
Yeah,
Chocolate and then
The classic.
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 We got this flavored roasted nuts, different the mix. We got those are the almond ones. They're delicious. It cracks and melts. And those are the walnuts. It's big. The walnut. I think I like the almonds better.
Macadamia. That's it.
I think I like the macadamia better than the walnut. But the almond ones, so far, is my favorite. We need more hot chocolate.
Happy face with the potatoes.
Doesn't smoke.
Oh, no, I just know the egg. This guy's cool, that's it. I don't think they have been looking for this.
Get the napkin, please. Thank you. Thank you.
See your face.
We got the spiral potatoes for a long line. Okay, let's try. Very crunchy, thin, and melting. It's delicious. Worth the one, worth the wait. You want to try? You pay, when you pay it's fast, but you wait them until they make it. But isn't it delicious? I think it was worth the wait.